Hello and welcome back to our channel. I don't know why my phone's saying only 15 minutes on the clock, but okay. So I'm going to do a bit of bushcraft today because well, I'm needing this log into some pieces. I'll start anyway while talking. So I just thought I'd show you guys. So the last time I was doing this up at the field, it didn't work too great, did it? Because I didn't actually show you what I was doing. It's hot in my flat as well, but that's because I got the heating on, but then if I turn it off it's going to be a draft, so yeah. See, I would just snap that, but I don't want to do that. Oh, now my saw's stuck. There we go. It wasn't the cleanest cut ever, but yeah. Anyway, I'll bring you back once I've done this side. There we go, guys. So that's what I've done so far, to be honest. Sorry it's only a short little video. Just thought I'd show you what I'm doing. I mean, eventually I'm probably gonna cut more of this down, I don't know, but for now this is what I've decided to do, to be honest. And yeah, if you want to see me cut this more into more suitable things like that, so actual logs, do leave a comment. I mean, I'm gonna also chop that down, but yeah, well, maybe I'll show you that. Hiya guys, I said I'd bring you back. So I've got to be careful because I've already messed up umpteen knives. And if I keep messing up knives, Hazel will go mad with me. There you go, guys. So that's how I do that. Sorry if you've got earphones. I know that, well, even without earphones I think that'd be pretty loud. Anyway, I'll do the rest off camera. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Hello and welcome back to my channel, or our channel should I say. For God's sake, give me a minute. Oh, it's there. I nearly sliced my hand. I was looking for my knife. So today I've got this log. I'm going to try and chop a bit more off it. So, yeah, that's the plan anyway. So, let's begin. When I can get it properly. I'm hoping not to break my knife. But if I do, hey ho. Nah, I just thought I'd show you a bit more on what I'm doing. So, I like kindling like that, so just little bits of wood like that. I find that burns really well. So just making more firewood basically today. I'll move this back a bit so you've got a bit more view on what I'm doing. So and if you're wondering why I'm doing it in the house, it's just because sometimes with the weather the way it is and the rain, I don't really like getting wet all that much, so that's why. Ooh. See, I'm struggling now to continue. The knife is falling apart as well. As you can see, I'm struggling. I would be very careful doing this, guys, because as you can tell, I'm not really, you know, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that as a wedge. There you go. And there we go. We've got another bit. I think I'm going to have to stop the video here, unfortunately, because, well, with my knife broke, yeah, it's not great. But anyway, thank you for watching. I guess it's like a full video because, you know, you've seen in the first part, that was another day. I thought I would make it all in one video instead of making umpteen different videos. Also, tell me if you want to watch more bushcraft type videos. I am trying to learn. I might try and watch some more myself, just to educate myself. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.